The Africa Oil Week conference has started in Cape Town with calls for delegates to prioritize an afro-centric approach to energy solutions. Over 1,000 guests from across the world are expected to attend this event, which also hopes to attract much-needed investment to the continent. Newzroom Africa's Nasiphi has more.
This year's Oil Africa Week conference is focusing on sustainable growth in a low-carbon environment. The just energy transition and its ability to tackle poverty and encourage access as well as fight climate change top the agenda.
Africa is the least developed part of the world. It's the least developed part of the world, but it is having the most potential to develop. If you talk about green economy, you will achieve that from things that are planted or mined. And all those minerals are in this continent. We must just be very innovative in dealing with those minerals and avoid the pit-to-pot approach to our minerals. Our minerals must be developed here. They must be beneficiated here in the continent. Because when we talk gas and oil, which the continent is rich with, somebody comes in and tells us that that's fossil. Please, it's dangerous. But when EU accepts that gas and nuclear are part of the green transition, the tone changes.
This week's event is expected to draw more than 1,800 delegates from over 80 countries, including ministers and oil companies. Among the countries in attendance is Uganda, which is growing its gas, oil and petroleum sectors.
We've been talking about flaring. For us, we already have the law prohibiting flaring. We are going to use the gas because we want to transform using charcoal and biomass at least to LPG. But there are countries which surpass the LPG. They are now using LNG. They are using natural gas. They are going towards hydrogen.
Investors are called on to ensure that the continent's energy transition is afro-centric. Africa Oil Week continues until Friday. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Nasiphi in Cape Town.